What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the PDQ Connect Getting Started series. Today, I've got something super special for you. It's actually one of our newer features, or I guess UI changes is more accurate. Today, we're going to be talking about the software tab inside of PDQ Connect. So let's dive in. We'll get started because this is really cool. This is where a lot of people are starting to see like, hey, I kind of live in this screen now. I used to live in the devices screen. Now I kind of live on the software tab. So here we are on the devices screen. I'll go over here and I'll click the software tab. Now the software tab is going to show you all of the software that is in your environment. So if as long as there's a device inside of PDQ Connect that is being managed by Connect, it detects software. It's going to report here in the software tab. Now this is great because you can just get at a glance a great overview of everything that's going on in your environment, right? Now, and the way we have it laid out, like there's so much information here, but it's so digestible too. Okay, so here you can see like 7-zip, for example. We've got it installed on one device. We don't have any with the latest installation on it. We have one that is outdated, and then we have 5 devices that don't have it installed. And just like that, like it's already selected the device for me, and I can go ahead and start that deployment right there. And then when I come back to the software tab, that's going to get updated. And instead of saying that it's outdated, it's going to say that it's on the latest version. And again, this is all the software in my environment. So I can go through and quickly at a glance, just kind of like scan that outdated column, looking for devices or software that is outdated in my environment. Maybe there's, something that came out that I want to address, like a Notepad++ update. Maybe there's a new exploit or something that I want to get patched. So I come in here, I quickly see, oh, I have 3 devices with old versions of it. I can easily get those devices updated with just a couple clicks. Okay, that's not all that we're showing here because we also have vulnerabilities. Now, this is part of the premium package. So if you have vulnerability scanning inside of PDQ Connect, you're going to see these vulnerability columns. These are awesome because it's going to basically categorize everything by software. So here you go, Adobe After Effects 2025, we have 15 total vulnerabilities, and we have 1 vulnerable device. Let's go find, where's Google Chrome at? That's usually got some good ones. Holy cow, 21 total vulnerabilities. We've got 2 vulnerable devices. Again, these are actionable, so I can click into these things and actually see what's going on. So if I click on the vulnerable devices there, so here you see all the different vulnerabilities that are impacting Google Chrome in your environment and the number of devices that are impacted by that vulnerability. Now what's cool is on the right side, you can actually kind of take action on these things. The right side is basically a summary of all of the devices that are impacted by all of the vulnerabilities for this software. So if I wanted to, I could easily remediate this by just clicking Deploy Google Chrome. It's going to automatically target those devices. It's going to grab the correct package and I can click deploy. It's going to take care of all of it for me. So again, so much information from one screen and it's also actionable. So again, this is why the software tab is becoming people's #1 screen to kind of live in when they're inside PDQ Connect because it just provides so much value and it's so easy to digest. So again, if you are new to PDQ Connect, definitely check out the software tab. Even if you're an old customer of PDQ Connect, definitely check out the software tab because it is brand new. Lots of really great information out there. Okay, that is going to do it for this one. Make sure to stay tuned for our next episode in the PDQ Connect Getting Started series. For PDQ, I'm Brock.